Tired of Windows 11 forcing you to use Microsoft Edge? Here is the fastest way to change a default browser to Chrome or Firefox. First, open your settings and click on Apps in the left sidebar. Then, click on Default Apps. Scroll down or search for the browser you want to use. Click on it to open its specific settings. At the very top, you'll see a button that says Set Default. Click that, and Windows will automatically switch your main web links to your preferred browser. If you want to be extra thorough, scroll down and manually change file types like PDF to your new browser too. Subscribe to Caspers tutorials for more.